It is 9 a.m. Monday, January 10th, and I hope this finds you doing very, very well. If you are watching here today and you are retired, a couple of housekeeping items first. Our 2022 retirement calendar checklist is now available on our website. You can use this handy checklist to stay organized during 2022. It includes 50 important dates or actions that all retirees need to review throughout the year. So head on over to the website and you can download that and have an electronic copy printed off if you'd like to keep it handy by your desk. Whether you are retired or not, we also have our 2022 key financial data card ready for you as well. There's a separate document. This document includes key numbers that could affect your finances in 2022. Again, this also can be found on our website. If you're on our email list, I'll include a link to both of these documents later on today when I send out our weekly email. If you're not on our email list, you can go to www.investwithccg.com to subscribe. All right, so in this week's economic and market recap, a hawkish Fed sees bonds higher and stocks retreat. I'm going to go ahead and roll the intro, and then we'll take a closer look. Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update. So a jump in yields sparked by a more aggressive sounding Federal Reserve sent the market lower to start the new year. The Dow Jones Industrials average fell 0.29%, while the Standard & Poor's 500 declined 1.87%. The NASDAQ Composite Index was hardest hit, dropping 4.53% for the week. And the MSCI EAFE Index, which tracks developed overseas stock markets, slipped 0.55%. The perception of a more hawkish Fed put a hard stop to the year's positive start and pushed bond yields higher and stocks into a broad retreat last week. Technology and other high valuation shares were particularly hard hit by rising yields. Even the larger cap technology companies with strong cash flows and profits were damaged. As yields trend higher, investors are questioning if these companies can lead the market in 2022. Fueling this decline was a 4-day sell-off of technology companies by hedge funds that, in dollar terms, represented the highest level in more than 10 years. Stocks continued to struggle into the final trading day, unsettled by a renewed climb in yields and an ambiguous employment report. Minutes of December's Federal Open Market Committee, or FOMC, meeting were released last week, and it revealed a more hawkish Fed than investors had been expecting. One surprise was that the first hike in interest rates could occur as early as March. Another, and perhaps more consequential, surprise was the idea of beginning a balance sheet runoff by the Fed following the first hike in the federal funds rate. A balance sheet runoff means that maturing bonds won't be replaced with new bonds, the result of which is a smaller Fed balance sheet. Many investors view this step as removing liquidity from the system, a departure from market expectations that the balance sheet would remain flat during the Fed's pivot to monetary normalization. All right, let's shift over to a little bit of fun. Thank you for sticking with me here till the end of this weekly update. So I've got a riddle here for you today. And if you're the first person to post the correct answer down below this video, whether you're watching on Facebook or on YouTube, then I'll send you a gift card for coffee on me. Does that sound good? All right, so today's riddle is, I'm soft enough to soothe the skin as well as make rocks crumble. I'm often slippery and on the move. What am I? Again, I'm soft enough to soothe the skin as well as make rocks crumble. I'm often slippery and on the move. What am I? Again, be the first person to put the correct answer down below this video on either Facebook or YouTube, and I'll send you a gift card to Caribou for coffee on us. And then lastly, remember, later on today, I'll be sending out our full economic update, And I'll also include links to our key financial data card for 2022 and our 2022 retirement calendar. If you're not getting this email and you would like it, you may subscribe at www.investwithccg.com. Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning and fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.